There's a river in Indonesia that becomes a battlefield once a year, a place where ancient traditions meet raw adrenaline. This is Pacu Jalur, a festival like no other. Picture this, a long, narrow boat carved from a single tree, 60 men, all rowing in perfect rhythm. Drums echo in the background, crowds cheering, flags waving. The boat slices through the water, fast, furious, focused. This is not just a race, it's a legacy. Pacu Jalur began over 400 years ago. Back then, these boats were used to carry goods along the river. Today, they carry pride, honor, and the spirit of a village. Each boat is over 20 meters long. Every team trains for months because winning means everything. Now imagine the festival. Thousands of people, colorful clothes, traditional music, the smell of satay, fried snacks, and sweet coconut drifting through the air. And the boats? They're painted like dragons, tigers, even mythic creatures. It's not just a race, it's a performance. Love unique festivals like this? Then like the video, subscribe for more, and comment below. Would you dare join the boat crew? But Pacu Jalur is deeper than excitement. It's about unity. Villages don't just compete, they come together. Fathers, sons, uncles, rowing side by side, passing tradition from one generation to the next. Even school kids know the chants. They grow up dreaming of the day they'll row for their village. You can witness Pacu Jalur every August. It happens in Taluak, Kuantan, in West Sumatra. Hotels get packed, the streets come alive, and the locals, they'll treat you like family. In a fast-changing world, Pacu Jalur reminds us of something ancient, something beautiful. A festival where muscle meets music, where water carries history, and where the heart of a nation beats loudest on the river.